Hey there, I'm Jarrett with Summers Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. It's getting hot out here, and you probably turned your AC on for the first time this year. Now, it may be taking longer to cool the house down than you remember. There are many things that can impact the system's performance. One of those things is when the outside unit gets too dirty. Now, an air conditioner is basically a really big heat exchanger. When it kicks on, it uses that big fan that sits on the top of your air conditioner to pull air in through this piece right here and blow it out the top, basically taking all the heat that it's gathered up from inside and then giving it off to the outside air. Along with that air, dust and dirt are going to get pulled in as well and start to build up on that heat exchanger. As that dust and that dirt continues to build up, the system will have to work harder and harder to keep the house at the temperature that you have the thermostat set to. As that dust gets so bad, eventually the system will no longer be able to keep up and the house will slowly get more and more uncomfortable. Now, the best way to avoid this from happening is to have a professional come out and give the air conditioner a thorough cleaning. Cleaning off your air conditioner is something that should be done at least once a year, and it's one of the many things that we do whenever we're completing a precision tune-up. If you feel like your system isn't keeping up properly this year, or you just haven't had it maintenance yet, give us a call to schedule one of our technicians to come out and perform a precision tune-up for you.